It's Colt and Pepaw again. What do you think, buddy? Look at that. What do you think about us, huh? Look. Look at the camera. Look up here. Look at the camera, buddy. There you go. You're gonna look the other way now. Look this way. Hey. Hey. It's a chore having a YouTube channel with a 4-month-old. There he is. What do you think about that? Look up there. Look up here. Yeah. That's Colt's truck that Pepaw gave him. Huh? You want to sit up there? No, you probably get you dirty. How about that? Huh? You standing on your truck? Oh, let's try this. There we go. There we go. Say the camera is on the hood of Colt's truck. And it's Colt and Pepaw. What do you think? Huh? What do you think about that? You got anything you want to say? No? Well, we're just going to record a little video here. Yeah, talk to me. Come on. Come on, truck driver. Talk to Teddy Bear. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? What do you want to say, Colt? There you go. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him what you want to say. Huh? You got anything you want to say? No. Well, maybe we back up a little bit. They get us in the whole picture, but then they can't hear us because my microphone's not working. All right, let's put Colt back in this arm where he looks the wrong way. What do you think, buddy? Huh? Wanna go for a walk back to the house? Okay. Look up here, Pepaw. Hey. Somebody's yawning. Are you sleepy? You beat up on Pepaw? That's okay. It's okay. Look up there. Yeah, it's Colt and Pepaw. Yeah. Somebody's tired and getting fussy now. Somebody's tired and getting fussy now. Who would that be, Colt? Is that Pepaw getting tired? No, it's Colt, ain't it? Tell everybody bye. Turn around and tell them bye. You beating up on Pepaw? Tell them bye. Tell them bye. You hear the birds? Listen. Shh. Shh. Listen. Yeah, listen. You hear them birds? Oh, you sneezed on me. You hear the birds? I hear an airplane right now. But I hear birds. Tell them bye. We're going to go.